I got Nintendo Switch Lite, and as you can see, both the stick is not normal. So in this video, I will try to change both the stick. Let's do it. Let's disconnect the battery. This is the first stick. This is a brand new stick. This side ready. Let's finish another side. This is the second analog stick. Let's change it. And a brand new stick. Let's return all the part back and test. And the console is ready. Let's turn it on. And it looks like perfect. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please leave a comment.